Caribbean girl, them pretty, pretty. European girl, them pretty, pretty. London girl, them.
Hey creatives, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing the Fulani hairstyle. Today I will also be using hair that I bought from Amazon, and I'll also do a review on it. It's from Leonyiri. It is a ombre with black and burgundy on the tips, 30 inches, and it comes with 8 packs of hair, crochet needles, and you do crochet style, and then also some little hair decorations in there. I don't think I'll be using all 8 packs, which means that I could do another tutorial at some point, different style, so stay tuned for that. But hey, let's just get right into this style. It's gonna be pretty quick and easy. Right now I'm just going to show you guys how I already have my hair like almost pre-sectioned out. So you want to make sure when you're doing this style that you part in the middle, so you know you have your middle part, because the Fulani braids are going to fall like this all the way down. So you're going to part it in the middle, and then you're going to part here and make like a circular part in the back, so like a half circle. And then what I would recommend is, so that you don't have too much hair in your way, part the back down the middle, and then just get one side tucked away. So my hair is freshly washed. I washed it yesterday, oiled and everything. So that's good to prep before your braids, because depending on how long you're going to keep them in, you want to keep your hair like, you know, really moisturized, so when you take it out it's not dry and brittle. So I always go in with a decent amount of oil in my hair. Put that in. I just like to section it out to see like where I want my braids to lay. So I would say about 3 braids in the front. Now with this style, I'm going to be doing 2 different braid techniques. So the bottom is just going to be your typical cornrow method with hair braiding, the one that's everybody's been doing forever. Next, I'm gonna do the feed-in method only up here, because you're not really gonna see the top of these braids like that. This is, everything up here is going to be covering this whole like top of this section here. So I'm just gonna go through, show you guys how I do the traditional corn rolling method on the first 2 or 3 braids, and then once I do that, I'm just going to come back and show you guys my progress of having the whole bottom layer done. And then, yeah, stay tuned. So guys, I just wanted to show you what the hair looks like straight out the pack. I would say it's very full, soft. It's pre-stretched, so you don't have to worry about doing any of that. Because we know how tedious that can be. So I'm just gonna loosen this out. And you know, I like to parcel out my hair before, as much as I can before braiding it. So I like to split it in half. I'll work with half of this first. Split it in another half. Split it in half again. I think this is about how much hair I want to use, because I don't think I want my braids to be like really skinny but not too big. So I have already parted out the first piece of my hair. I'm just gonna get the rest of the hair tucked away. Shine and Jam, that's what we're gonna be using today. My fave. Get that in there. So you're gonna split it into, you're gonna start with this. I'm sure y'all seen this before. This is just like how everybody used to braid all the time. So you're just going to catch your hair. Alright y'all, so I have completed the first section of my hair. All just straight down, all through the back. They're not like perfect or anything like that, but this is just to get these quickly installed into your hair. Where it's going to take the most time now is this proportion, because you want up hair to look really neat and everything to be in sync. Alright guys, so I knocked out some of the front of the braids. I just want to show you guys what that looks like. And as you can see, the braids fall right over the big braids, so you don't even see them. So in order to get this look, I do use the feed-in method. And I just want to show you guys how to do that. So you also just want to make sure when you're like doing your parts that they're matching. So this part should like this one should come like that, so that everything is in sync. And you don't want your part to be crooked either. your hair parted, I'm gonna add your shining gem. And I'm gonna take a tiny piece of hair. So I would say about that much. And first, you're gonna separate your hair. Put your finger under there, and then you're gonna just catch it. Then you're gonna take another piece of hair, a little bit more, but not by much, like that much. And then you're gonna add that in the same way you added the first piece in. So put it under the hair. Take one more piece, small, not too much, and then go ahead and add that right in. Okay, so I have completed my style. This is what it looks like from the top. As you guys can see, it's a little burgundy on the bottom. It's a waist length. Overall, I would say the quality of the hair from Amazon, it wasn't bad at all. Typical like braiding hair from even the bigger designer hair brands. But overall, I would say the hair was pretty good. It was easy to use, easy to install. I would recommend it, and I'm gonna leave it the link to it in my description box if you would like to purchase this hair. And lastly, I am going to add some photos after this, but I do want to say thank you for watching my video. Please go ahead again and select that like and subscribe button, tongue-tied. But yeah, I truly appreciate y'all watching my videos. Tell me if you think this is cute. Leave a comment. If you have some ideas of some styles maybe that I should try out. Again, I have like 6 more packs of this hair, so I can do some different creative fun styles. Overall, I used about 3 packages of the hair out of the 8. So this did not take a lot of hair, And this method overall, it took me about 2 hours to complete this style. It would have been longer if I did feed it on the bottom, but because the back and the sides were done so quickly, that cut the time down. It was just the top that took a lot of time because you have to slowly feed everything in. But other than that, yeah, leave a comment. Talk to me. Tell me how you feel about this hairstyle. Thanks again, guys.